Today we are making a quick, easy, delicious jambalaya. Takes no time or effort. You already know it's gonna be amazing. Let's not waste any time and let's get into it. All right, so we first gotta season up our boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto them and give them a massage, making sure they are well coated up in this oil right here. And then we are gonna season it up proper as we always do. Everything will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well as far as the seasoning. So I always like to make sure my chicken is well coated up, man. You should not have any bare looking chicken, and if it does look like that, man, it is not seasoned right in my humble opinion. So once your chicken is seasoned up just like this, you want to go ahead and set it off to the side as we move on to the next step. We're gonna start searing up that andouille sausage. So we're gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto the pan. I got my heat to about a medium high, and we are gonna drop in some of this andouille sausage. So what you're looking to get here is just a nice, beautiful crust and a sear on your andouille sausage, okay? And once we have that beautiful crust and sear on both sides, then we're gonna move it on to the side as we go on to the next step. Takes a couple minutes or so to get your desired color, but it is smelling so good already. So our sausage is pretty much done at this point. We're gonna remove it from the heat and then get our chicken going. We're gonna get a nice, beautiful sear on that chicken as well. Come take a look at this sausage, guys. So our sausage is looking really good. That's exactly what we're looking for. A nice, beautiful sear on our sausage. We're gonna remove these from the heat and put them off to the side. So in the same pan here, guys, we're gonna toss in that chicken. You already got plenty of oil in the pan from that sausage and whatnot, so you don't really need any additional oil. Get that chicken in there and get a nice, beautiful sear on both sides. All right, our chicken is looking really good so far. It is time to give them a flip. Wow. How good does that look? We have a very, very beautiful sear on our chicken. Look at that. All right, our chicken is looking really, really good. Ready to come out of that pan. Looks amazing. Look at that. I love me some chicken thighs. Chicken thighs over breasts, in my very humble opinion. So obviously you want your chicken to rest a little bit so you don't lose too much juice. But we do need to kind of slice these into some smaller pieces. So that's what I'm just gonna do here. And please excuse all the noise. I got a little work getting done at the house, so they are hammering away and got all type of noise going. I do apologize. And keep in mind, your chicken doesn't have to be fully cooked, because it is going back in the pan shortly once we get that sauce going and everything. So it is okay if your chicken is a little under, not a big deal. So in that same pan here, we have some onion, we have some green bell pepper, as well as some celery, all chopped up. We're gonna go ahead and just chop that in. Put that in, I'm sorry. Gonna just kind of saute that for a little bit. And to that, we're gonna also add in some garlic paste. As well as some tomato paste. Just mix everything together. Once your veggies are starting to soften up a little bit, your onions are getting a little bit translucent, it is time to add some more ingredients. So we're gonna toss in some crushed tomatoes. We're gonna also add in some chicken broth. Give that a stir. And we're gonna sprinkle in a little bit of the seasoning that we had left over that we seasoned our chicken with. That's some delicious seasoning right there. Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit in there. You could give it a taste, add a little bit more if you need to. We're gonna reintroduce the chicken that we have chopped up. Splash, splash, splash. Get that in the pot. And we're also gonna toss in our andouille sausage. And you wanna let this come up to a simmer before we add our rice, guys. So I'm gonna toss in a couple bay leaves into our pot, and we're gonna top it off and let it come up to a simmer. Once it starts simmering and you get all that beautiful aroma in the air, then we're gonna add in our rice, okay guys? And again, excuse me for all this noise in the background. We got air compressors going, a bunch of stuff going on. Our whole house, we got tons of stuff going on, okay? Our kitchen is being redone a little bit. We got stuff going on, all right? So we'll be back once our sauce here is simmering. All right, now that we have it simmering, we're gonna toss in our jasmine rice. I did rinse this right before. You don't wanna do it way ahead of time because it'll cause your rice to get soggy way too quickly. So I'm just gonna get everything into this pot right here. Give it a mix. So like I said, once you got your rice in there, you wanna go ahead and lower that heat to about a medium low, top it off, and let it do its thing. Are you ready for this? Take a look. A real good look. Come on now. How beautiful is that, guys? Now you do want to kind of fish out some of the bay leaves if you can, but we are gonna plate up, guys. It is looking and smelling amazing. Look at that. Wow. Whew. I can't wait to dig into this one. Straight pressure. All the wonderful, wonderful ingredients that we have in here, they are given right now, I'm telling you. We are looking good, smelling good as always. I got my spoon ready. We ain't playing no games, we ain't wasting no time. I am ready to give this a try, guys. Look at that, come on now. Whoa. Cheers, guys. This thing is steaming too. I gotta blow on it a little bit. This is hot. Give me a sec. I gotta blow this real quick. Cheers, guys. Oh my goodness. Pure joy, pure bliss, guys. This is, wow. This is slapping. Slapping. Let me get some of that andouille sausage in there too. Come on. This is so good. Sheesh. You have no business being this good. I'm talking to a damn plate right now. That's how good this is right here. You know what I'm saying? You have to try this. As you see, no effort, no time at all to get this awesome recipe done. The kids will love it. The whole family will love it. Definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. Must try again, again, and again. I appreciate everyone watching. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.